Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these deliciously crispy parsnip and potato fritters. They're so easy to make, but so delicious. I'll make a start by peeling and grating 3 parsnips. Next I'll grate 1 onion. Get my onions into the bowl with the parsnips. Next I'll peel and grate 1 large potato. After adding the potatoes, I take a few minutes to give everything a good mix. Set my bowl to one side for a minute. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to 30 grams of plain flour. And in goes 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. And a teaspoon of dried thyme. Now I'm just using a fork to combine everything really well. Now I'll add to my grated bowl and give that a really good mix. Then I add 2 well-beaten eggs to my bowl. So I'm spending a few minutes giving this a really good mix, and in the meantime I've got my oil warming on the stove. Once the oil is hot enough, I use 2 tablespoons to shape my fritters. I've only put 4 in at a time, otherwise they won't brown. I cook each side for 4 minutes. Got a baking tray ready with some kitchen paper, and I've set my oven to the lowest setting to keep them warm as I make them. Just keep going until all my mixture is used up. And just like that, here they are, crispy parsnip and potato fritters. They go well with a delicious roast dinner or as a snack. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.